Hey, how you doing today? I picked this up at Depot. I wasn't expecting too much. I only have to cut a couple of butt hinges. But that's a template. It's for a router. And comes with a package like that. It's like 25 bucks. It comes with everything. It's got a couple nice little features. It's got a little clamp so you don't have to nail it like other ones I've used in the past. It's got a little gauge here that comes out. Stores over there. What that does is that keeps you from running your bit into here. Okay, then it's got positive stops for 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and 5-inch hinges. Then it's got a depth gauge. You see that? Right there, yeah. So you just set your router on here and run it down to the depth gauge, gives you the depth for your cut. And so it comes with a bit. Okay, it comes with 1/8 inch drill bit also and a screw bit. You know, so you can pre-drill your butt hinges. These things, that's 5/8 round setup. These pop right out. Store on the back so you can do squares or the 1/4 inch round. And how you do it is you mark your door out. See, what I'm talking about is making a butt hinge like that. And that took about 3, 4, 5 seconds. But anyway, what you do is you bring this over here and you line it up with where your marks are. I'm going to do this one-handed. I know. Everybody says I should have a tripod set up, but okay. And here is the bit that comes with it, set to the proper size. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch hands and I'm going to show you how fast this thing is. Perfectly cut, but now I'll come over here and grab a hinge. Let me show you what I got. See, there's my hinge. Bear with me while I open the package, and that's how it's going to fit. You're going to run your screws right in there. Gives you, look how nice that is. It's hard to say, pick up with the camera, but that's pretty nice. Look at that, that's perfect. All right, and I wasn't thinking too much for this kit. You know, I bought the cheapest one they had, but I'm telling you what, it works pretty nice. For an occasional door that I hang nowadays, I don't think you can beat it. And when you're done, just twist it. Twist it again, and off it comes. Easy peasy, huh? All right, that was the Ryobi Door Hinge Installation Kit. Worked pretty good.